All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you often visit your relatives?
Yes, sometime. I visited my.
I visit, present tense.
Yeah. I visit my relatives once in a month. I am very attached with my cousins, and I have to meet with my cousins every month.
All right, so are you attached to many cousins or one special cousin that you are attached to?
No. I have attached with my all cousins.
All cousins. So then from there you can
Yes.
select. Yeah, that's a good idea. Very good. All right. Just joking. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay, but cousins are good. Yes. Yeah, they're part of family. So what do you usually do when you visit your relatives actually? Yeah. Yeah.
I spend my time and I share my experience of previous month, and sometime I hang out with them and lunch or dinner with.
I have lunch or dinner
with them.
with all of them. You're so lucky. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You're having dinner with your cousins and all right. That's good. Overall good. Yeah, I'm creating some fun so that you feel
No,
nervous
sir.
and you become more
Yes.
confident. Let's go on. Do you prefer to spend time with your relatives or friends?
Yes, I do prefer my to spend my time with my relatives.
I knew that. Okay.
I,
Yeah. Carry on.
I don't have a lot of friends. And
Yeah.
That's why I like
See,
to
when
spend
you
my-
have cousins, then you don't have friends because
yes, sir.
cousins are there. So they are also friends. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let's be on positive side. Okay. One last question. How often do you visit your relatives? How often? Like once a month, once a week, or every day you go
So
to
ये
their
first
house?
question नहीं था ये वाला?
Yeah, but I'll ask you again. Give a
Okay.
different answer.
I
First question was, do you often visit your relatives? Now, how often do you visit your relatives? I
visit-
always visit my relatives once a
in a
month,
month.
or every evening I go to my relatives' house and all that. Yeah.
Yeah, I visit my relative once in a month because I have to spend my times with them because I am very busy in my university work, and I have exhausted with my previous work.
I'm
So
often exhausted.
I'm
I'm often
often-
exhausted.
I've often exhausted with my previous work, so that is a good way to spend time and be relaxed.
Good. So if you spend one day with one relative in a month and you have 30 relatives, all the
30
months you are busy. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
One day here, second
One-
day there and there. All right. Overall, your answers are good and
Yes,
you've got
sir.
good understanding of the questions
Question.
too. But for answer, just try to elaborate a little
Yeah.
more and use variety of words.
Word.
But your confidence is good. Even they were laughing and you stayed confident. That's positive, right? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.